Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to view reviews on Google Maps. Why would you want to know how to view reviews on Google Maps? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Map and not sure how to view reviews on Google Maps. So today I am going to show you how to view reviews on Google Maps. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Viewing reviews on Google Map is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open Google Maps app. Now search a location or place in search bar. Click on that place. Now you are seeing review section. Click on it. From here you can check reviews of the place. So there you go. If you were wondering how to view reviews on Google Maps, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.